Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naim Abbas. I am your math teacher. Today I deliver lecture from page number 12. Multiply. First part, multiply 532,615 by 23. Now first we write 532,615, then we write the 235. Now first we multiply 3 with 5. 3 5s are 15, 1 carry, 3 1s are 3 14, 3 1s are 3 and 1 4, 3 6 are 18, 8, 1 carry, 3 2s are 6, 1 7, 3 6 are 9, 3 5s are 15. Then multiply by 2 5s are 10, 0, 1 carry, 2 1s are 2. Carry plus किया अब then 3, 2 6 are 12, 2 1 carry, 2 2s are 4, 1 5, then 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Now we add this value 5, 4, 8, 3, 11, 1 carry, 7, 2, 9, 1, 10, 1 carry, 10, 5, 15, place 5, 1 carry, 6, 6, 12, 2, 1 carry, 1, 1, 2 and 1. Part B, similar to part A, no. Then first multiply 4 with the 3, 4 3s are 12, 2, 1 carry, 4 8s are 8 4s are 32, 1 33, 1 carry, 3 carry, 4 0 0, then 3, place 3, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16. Then multiply by 5 3s are 15, 1 carry, 5 8s are 41, place 1, then 4 carry, 5 0 0, then place 4, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 1 carry, 5 4s are 20 and 21. Now cross. Then 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 1 carry, 2 0 0, 1, then 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Now we add this value 2, 8, 10, carry 1, then 6, 4, 10 and 14 plus 1, 15, 1 carry, then 9, 10, 15, 1 carry, 5 place, then write 2, 6, 8, 1, 9, 4, 4, 4, 1, 1, 6, then 8 to 10, 1 0 10. Part C divided by 437 divide 437 by 12. Part C. Now 12 3s are 36. Put 3. Now we subtract from 36 from 43. Then 7 and 7 place there now. And then 12 6 are 72. Now we subtract from 72 from 77. Remainder is 5. 5 is smaller than 12, therefore this question is not continued.